Here is the story of the match for you all. Shillong had more number of passes, but eventually what matters is the goals, and that came from Dempo.
Again, it's always said that championship is in the DNA. Shillong Lajong did so well. Ashish Sibi outstanding this evening.
Ashish Sibi made a couple of important saves. One from Damite in the first half. That was a top save. And Damite's runs were so dangerous, but Douglas started in just not his day. Tried again and again. The defense communication has been a question. Kapil Hubble picked up a knock in the process, bleeding just near his eyebrow.
Figo Sendai, his name went into the referee's book.
And Babovic kept on knocking the door. It was 0-0 at halftime.
He was always probing.
A few chances wasted there by Kenster. Not once but twice in a similar fashion. Shillong kept attacking, but the Dempo defense stood strong.
And this was the moment. Some cardinal offense by the Shillong Lajong boys kept the near post vacant and went through NATO. No one to block that. It's always somebody has to do that defensive work, the dirty work.
And this was a moment they placed off. Daniel Gonzalez could not believe, perhaps showed, that this was not their day. A few attempts from distance, all saved by Ashish Sibi.
Ashish did it brilliantly. Kapil got so many chances, arrived in the right area, but lacking the intention. Little clumsy work there. Daniel Gonzalez, bad day in the office. So was Marcus Woodbury.
And he kept trying. That is one thing in the Shillong side you will always see. They do not give up, but all to bow down in front of this Dempo defense.
Well, Shillong Lajong is down but not out. And this was again the another moment, the magic moment. Matej Babovic, look at the spin. Look at the venom. Look at the velocity. NATO flung himself, couldn't reach that, the far post. And what a finish. Excellent stuff.
Summed up by the celebration. Sheen kept trying. He looked bright. He might have earned himself a starting 11 in the next match, but for now, he couldn't make an impact in terms of changing the scoreline. We'll have a look at the stats as well. It is 2-0 for Dempo. Possession slightly ahead. Dempo. But the passes, if you look at it, Shillong Lajong having more of it, 236. And even the shots, 16 shots, of which 5 were on target. That is strong and sturdy defending from Dempo.
They should be more clinical, Shillong Lajong. And 8 corners for Shillong Lajong. And the Golden Eagles, 6 fouls, 10 by Shillong Lajong. Yellow card each to both the sides. No red cards this evening.
But the scoreline in favor of the away side. They pulled up an offset at full time. Shillong Lajong 0, Dempo SC 2. A fight from Shillong Lajong wasn't matched up to the intensity brought in by Dempo. The former champions having the champion spirit.